My name is Ilya Balkis binti Suhaimi. I am a citizen of Malaysia.
My name is Musa Nuwairi Kamaruzaman. I am citizen of Malaysia.
My name is Sulaidil. I am citizen of Malaysia.
My name is Muhammad Rushdi bin Amli. I am a citizen of Malaysia.
My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Abdullah. I am a citizen of Malaysia.
My name is Muhammad Zulfadli bin Khairuddin. I am a citizen of Malaysia.
My name is Muhammad Muaz bin Zainal Abidin. I am a citizen of Malaysia.
My name is Zizi Kirana. I am a citizen of Malaysia.
My name is Nufarahin Romli. I am a citizen of Malaysia.
Nama saya Danish Nazram bin Murad. Saya merupakan warga negara Malaysia.
My name is Haiza Helmi. I am a citizen of Malaysia. My name is Hazwani Helmi. I am a citizen of Malaysia.
If you are watching this video, it's me. I have been abducted and taken against my will by Israeli forces.